Hi, and welcome to MiaProva. We have a series of videos for users to familiarize themselves with the MiaProva user interface, videos on best practices within MiaProva, onboarding videos, as well as MiaProva case studies. This video is part of our user interface review, and we're going to focus specifically on the tool section within here, within MiaProva. So I'll start off with the Chrome extension. This is a very popular tool in the Adobe Target community. You can click on this, it'll open up the app in the Chrome store. You can see it's got well over 1,000 plus users, and it's something that is not, you don't need a MiaProva account to access it, but once you add it to Chrome, you can quickly open and close it by way of this toggle, and you can also disable it by clicking on this bird in the top of the Chrome extension toolbar. So yeah, very, very helpful within here. I'm signed in. I'll stay signed in, and then I'll show you the signed out view. So the activities, you can see all the activities that you're in this particular location. We also provide real-time reporting, like where the test is running, and based off of the default journey view and all that, and all the lift and confidence intervals, all of that's automatically constructed on the fly, whether it's A for T or non-A for T data. So really cool. Where the tests are running, you can see active reporting, and it's updated, like I said, in real time. I'll actually grab an A for T one within here. Let's see, let's do this one. That's the activity metadata. But you can see access to the reporting within the Chrome extension. All of your activities are within here. So this is something I use to actually push this bulk updater tool to the page, which is really cool. All the activities that are running on the location, you can see what mbox, what experience name, what offers are being used, all sorts of good stuff, as well as a breakdown of all the offers that are in place and what selectors are used and all that good, very helpful stuff for Adobe Target practitioners. You can also upload screenshot or images of the test directly to your MiaProva ticket, which is really cool. You can see your Adobe Target profile, probably one of the most valuable things of the Adobe Target platform, the profile. You can see your first party ID that you're passing to Adobe, which if you're not, you absolutely should do. This is the Adobe Target Visitor ID, as well as the Experience Cloud ID that stitches Adobe Audience Manager, Adobe Target, and Adobe Analytics together, which is very cool. You can add ideas directly from the Chrome extension into your MiaProva account, labels and journeys and all that good stuff within there. Reporting, these are just all the activities that are in your account. If it's live, you could come in here and quickly and easily just get a quick snapshot in terms of how that activity is doing. And when you see the loading here, that what we're doing is getting an updated data. And if it's a activity's been live for a long time, it could take a while, a few seconds like you saw there. But really great utility. It's completely free for the Adobe Target community. So I signed out here, and so now you can see the reporting and uploading of images went away, but you can still see profile attributes. You can add attributes for your targeting, which is helpful, but you're unable to add ideas in reporting. MiaProva supports single sign-on within the Chrome extension as well, which is really helpful. So you can quickly sign in. This is our domain. MiaProva supports single sign-on right within there. So I'm going to our single sign-on, logging in within there. There it is. And get a password, and boom. So I'm being redirected to our portal, and you can see that the Chrome extension signed me in as well, which is nice. It's an example of our Chrome extension. Sample size calculator. You may have remember this from this section, the create and manage tickets, where you can have a field to provide your sample size, and MiaProva will automatically track that. So here's another way to kind of see the sample size as well. Swimlane Management. I'm actually going to jump into a live account because this is a demo account with kind of fake data here. So here we have this account. I'll go to the Swimlane Management. And here we can see all of our activities. So this is a very, very popular feature of MiaProva. A lot of our customers love this because They get the visibility in terms of what M boxes are being used. If they're using modular M boxes, they can see what audiences are being used. We'll automatically consolidate refinements, which is a part of the audience, as well as the audience that was included within the activity. You can see the distribution of visitors that are using the same M box and the visitors today. So this is very, very helpful to see what might be cannibalizing traffic of another activity, what activities that are still live that shouldn't be out there. We show the start and end date. Really, really, really helpful functionality that we provide within here, which is pretty cool. So you can see a swim lane of all of that. And these things on the left is a shortcut to your Adobe Target account, which is pretty cool. Your Adobe Analytics account within here. So you can access and get into your Adobe Target account. The help section, which is cool, you can see a breakdown of some of the different videos that we're updating and adding to this. And then lastly, Adobe API. This is something that we use internally here, where you can kind of see some of the different endpoints that we're using to do the really, really intricate dance behind the scenes in terms of using Adobe Analytics in context with Adobe Target. So really cool stuff within there. So that's the tools section of MiaProva. If there's any questions, please don't hesitate to let us know. And thank you for watching. Take care.